Hi, I'm Dennis Blosser, CEO of Marietta Silos and USA Silos Service. We're here today to answer some of your frequently asked questions regarding silo construction, inspection, repair, and silo cleaning. If you have a concrete stave silo, one of the things we want you to look for is what is the condition of the exterior wall and the exterior hoops. In a concrete stave silo, you can think of it this way. The concrete staves are there to distribute the load of the material over the hoops. The steel hoops are the structural stability of the silo. So when we go to look at these walls, what we want to look for is either, are there cracks in my staves? Are there bulges in the wall? Is the wall moving out a little bit? If you do have cracks, there's two different types of cracks we're looking for. One is just a horizontal, vertical, or diagonal crack. But the other is more severe, which is when you have an offset. So let's say I have a horizontal crack in my stave silo wall, and the upper wall is pushing out over the lower wall. That means that silo wall is moving. Stave silos can be anywhere from 2 inches thick to 5 inches or 5 3/4 inches thick. So you really don't have a lot of room if that wall starts moving out. So if you see a crack in the stave wall and it's starting to move, it's time to push the panic button because that silo is in a mode of failure. Also, you need to look at the steel hoops on the outside. Because those hoops are the structural integrity of the silo, their structural stability is paramount to the safety of your silo. So you want to make sure that none of those hoops are bent, that they're not broken, that they're not falling off and laying on the ground around the silo. Also, you want to make sure that they're not heavily corroded to where they start to lose sections, loss, or part of the steel. And then also the hoops are bolted together through a lug. And that lug can be problematic if it starts to corrode. Also, the other thing we want to remember about these hoops is they're actually a tension item. They're not just tightened. They're tensioned to a specific rating or pressure. If you try to weld an attachment to these hoops, which many plants will seem to see that, basically what you do is you heat that hoop up and then it relaxes its tension and then allows the wall to move. So another thing you want to look at on a steel hoop is to make sure it's not been welded to, because that basically makes it useless. So if you have any of those kind of issues with your walls or with your hoops, it's time to give your silo inspection firm a telephone call. Thank you for watching our video series. If you have any questions about a silo, just give us a call. We like talking about silos as much as we like working on them.